two important updates. First update is about the operation of Tigray Defense Force against Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies in Belinta and Wag Hamra, which are the areas where fighting is intensifying. Your second update is from Western Tigray. Tigray Defense Force has taken control of many areas in Western Tigray. Now let's move to the first update. Intense fighting is underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies on Tigray-Amhara border. As per reports, Tigray Defense Force crossed over in the direction of Sekuta. Operation is ongoing on north and southeast of Sekuta. Large number of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present on Tigray-Amhara border to stop the Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies by entering Tigray region. Tigray Defense Force has launched large-scale operation against Ethiopian army and its allies in Belinta and Wag Hamra. The areas which are located around Belinta are field of battle now. Ethiopian Air Force is also conducting airstrikes in these areas to disperse Tigray Defense Force soldiers which are fighting against Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies. On the other hand, fighting is also intensifying in Western Tigray. As per latest reports, Tigray Defense Force has taken control of many areas in Western Tigray. Tigray Defense Force was trying to enter Western Tigray from months. Now, presence of Tigray Defense Force soldier can be seen in Volkayt. Viewers, you can see Tigray Defense Force soldier in front of a building which is Voldiba Montessori. It is located in Volkayt. Viewers, this is a first visual confirmation that Tigray Defense Force has entered Volkayt. Some Tigray Defense Force backed news sources are claiming that many areas around Volkayt are under TDF control. They are claiming that Adi Ramet is the main area which Tigray Defense Force has controlled. If Tigray Defense Force has in control of Adi Ramet, then it's a big achievement for Tigray Defense Force and it could be a game changer for Tigray Defense Force in this area. But remember, visual confirmation is awaited because Tigray Defense Force shared picture of its soldier from Voldiba Montessori, not from Adi Ramet. Coming hours are crucial because Tigray Defense Force will definitely advance towards Addis Ramat from here if they are not present in Addis Ramat. Viewers, lastly, Tigray Defense Force back news sources shared pictures of fresh prisoners of wars. Tigray Defense Force government said these are fresh prisoners of wars and were captured in the last week. In picture, hundreds of captive ENDF soldiers can be seen. Tigray Defense Force does not mention the front from where these soldiers were taken prisoners, but hundreds of newly captured Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen. Viewers, these were 3 updates. Thanks for your precious time.